Student, a very warm good morning to all of you and welcome back in moral science video. Children, this is my first video of this week. Yes, in this video today you all are going to get do the work which is related to chapter 1 and 2. So first I'll discuss about the chapter 1. Yes, the chapter 1, God the Creator. Okay children, and in this chapter you all have seen one story, that is the trusting dog. Yes children, but before, what do you know children about this? Yes, God has created the universe, the sun, the moon and all the creatures of the earth. There are 4 different kingdoms created by God on earth children. So children, yes, and the name of the story, the trusting dog. The trusting dog. Yes, once upon a time, deep in a jungle, there was an old house wherein Mr. Bear lived with his servant the cat. So children, Mr. Cat was a servant and only he was getting food and shelter to live, but he did not get salary. Okay children, and one day when Mr. Cat was cleaning the kitchen, suddenly he fell down and when the cat was cleaning the kitchen, he slipped on the wet floor and he broke Mr. Bear's bottle of honey. And okay, so he was totally scared. So he said to Mr. Dog, and Mr. Dog was the best friend of Mr. Cat. So Mr. Dog said to Mr. Cat, "Don't worry, just buy a new jar of honey." But what do you know the fact, children? Yes, he has no money because Mr. Bear only gave food and shelter, but no salary. So Mr. Dog again he said that only then apologize him and trust in God to help you. Yes, the name of the story is only the trusting dog. So dog always trusted God. Okay children, so the cat also started prayer. The cat prayed to cat and he said, "Oh God, guide me and protect me, help me with this problem." But what happened when Mr. Bear returned home? He asked about honey, and he said that, "Sorry sir, I'm sorry I broke your jar accidentally." But Mr. Bear was very angry and he said, "Get out from my house, so don't ever come back." So again Mr. Cat he just said what was the prayer, what was the use of praying, what will happen, you have seen that. So Mr. Dog said, when you trust in God, you need not worry anywhere, be happy. So and he started and they were walking, they come across a small inn deep in the jungle. There was a notice on the door of the inn, and there it was written, looking for a job for a cook, good salary and free boarding. So Mr. Cat saw the board and he felt very happy and he said thank you to dog also. So dog said, he said that, "I was telling to you, when you trust in God, he does what best for us." Okay children, so what you all have learned from this story? Yes, we should also trust in God and always trust in God in times of difficulty also. Okay children, we should always keep trust in God because God is everywhere, and what he does what best for us. He knows very well what is the best for us. Okay children, so now after that I'll talk about the chapter 2, love God's creatures. Yes, God created the universe, so we should love the God's creatures. We all are the part of God's creatures. God has created to you, to me and to us. Okay children, so what we need to love and care God's creatures. Okay, because love is a special feeling that fills the heart. When you love someone, you treat them with affection and do little things to make them happy. So name of the story is here in this chapter. The name of the story is Rohit and the loving cat. Rohit and the loving cat. What happened, children? Do you know in this story? Yes, at beginning Rohit was an unhappy child. Do you know why he was unhappy? Because he has no any friend, no, and he's always he always thought that nobody loves me, I have no friends. But one day a cat came and hid under Rohit's bed. Rohit's bed. When he saw, he said, what are you doing under my bed? Just get out, you lazy cat. And he said, what matter with you? Because cat was not moving. So suddenly Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw. The cat had hurt its paw. So Rohit realized, and he said, that is why you are not moving. You have hurt yourself. So Rohit felt sorry for the cat and started nursing it. Then he gave medicine and he said medicine will recover fast. So Rohit and the cat became good friends and his heart was full of love for the cat. So before long the cat gave 4 kittens. The cat gave birth to 4 kittens, and Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. And also children, soon other children in the neighborhood came to play with the kittens, and now he had many friends, many new friends. Now they all played together happily with the kittens. So at last he was very happy. His heart was full of love. So children, what you all have understood, children, in this story also? Yes, we should love God's creatures. Okay, we should always love God's creature. We should not hurt them. Now, after that, children, today you all are going to do the work related to these 2 chapters, that is true or false. If a statement will be wrong, children, for that you will write true, and if the statements will be correct, for that you will write, again I am telling, if the statements will be wrong, you will write false. If a statement will be if statement will be correct, you will write for that true. For wrong statement false, for correct statement true. So let's start, children. Like first it has written, God has created all the creatures of the earth. Yes, children, God has created the universe. God has created the universe, the sun, the moon, and all the creatures like animals, human. These all has created by the God of the earth. Okay, so there are mainly 4 kingdoms created by God on earth. These are include the mineral kingdoms, vegetable kingdoms, animal kingdoms, and human kingdoms. Okay, children. So there is asking, God has created all the creatures of the earth. So you will write here, it is correct statement. For that you will write here true, TRUE, true. Okay, now next one is here, there are 7 different kingdoms created by God. So you all will write here, yes, there are 7 different kingdoms. So it is correct? No, there are 4 different kingdoms, but it has written here 7. So this is wrong. So for that you will write here false, FALSE, false. Yes, there are 4 different kingdoms created by God. These include the mineral kingdom, vegetable kingdom, and the animal kingdom, and the human kingdoms. And there is at 5th a higher kingdom, that is the kingdom of the prophets or the divine teachers. These are special souls who brings us the teaching of God from time to time. So there are 4 kingdoms, but here it has written 7, so it is wrong. The 2 number is wrong, so for that you will write false. Okay, now next one is here, Mr. Cat broke Mr. Bear's pickles. My dear, what do you know? Yes, in the story, the trusting dog. In this story, you all have seen the Mr. Cat was servant in Mr. Bear's house. So one day in the evening, Mr. Cat was cleaning the kitchen, and suddenly he fell down and broke Mr. Bear's bottle of honey. But here it has written pickles, so it is also wrong. And for wrong statement, you will write here false, FALSE, false. He has not broke Mr. Bear's bottle of pickles. He broke Mr. Bear's bottle of honey. But it has written pickles, so that is wrong. Now, when we trust in God, He does is the best for us. Yes, children, we should always trust in God and always He always, because God is the powerful protector. He knows very well what does is the best for us. So when we trust in God, He does best for us. So it is true. For correct statement, you will write here true, True, true. Okay. Now, next, Rohit had many friends. Children, at beginning Rohit was an unhappy child, and you know very well, because you always thought nobody loves me and I have no friend. So Rohit had many friends, so this is wrong, and for wrong statement you will write here false, False, false. And now, Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. Yes, when Rohit and the cat became good friends, and Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. Okay, so there it has written Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. So there you will write true, True, true. Okay, now next, Rohit felt sorry for the cat. Yes, when suddenly Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw, so Rohit, he said that is why you are not moving and you have hurt yourself. So Rohit felt sorry for the cat and started nursing it. So there it is also true. Rohit felt sorry. So it is correct. So for correct statement you will write here true, True, true. Rohit felt sorry for the cat. Now, children, love is a common feeling. No, my dear, love is a special feeling. So this is wrong. For that you will write here false, False. False. Love is a special feeling that fills the heart, and when you love someone you treat them with the affection. Okay, children, so love is a special feeling, not a common feeling. It fills the heart. It fills the heart with full of love. So children, hope you all have understood very nicely. So first you all will read two chapter, and also you all will read the quotations, prayers and songs from the given quotation set, and also you will write the quotation. So hope you all have understood.